day everyone, my name is John Vincent Devin. Today we talk all about Ramon Magsaysay, President Ramon Magsaysay to Carlos P. Garcia, Diosdado Macapagal, and Ferdinand E. Marcos. First is Ramon Magsaysay, 1953 to 1957. The champion at common main achievement. He restored the Filipino people's faith in the government. He practically ended the communist-led Hukbalahap rebellion by treating peasants with respect, giving them land of Nara, and creating a public office PCAC, where citizens could file complaints directly. His presidency was known as Golden Age of Clean Governments. Second, Carlos P. Garcia of 1957 to 1961. Nationalist President. Main achievement. He implemented the Filipino First policy. This policy aimed to put the interests of Filipino businessmen and local industries above those of foreign investors, encouraging national economic self-sufficiency. Number 3. Diosdado Macapagal, 1961 to 1965. The reformers from Pampanga. Main achievements. He championed the farmers resigning agricultural land Reform Corps of 1963, which aimed to abolish tenancy. He also officially declared June 12 as the true Philippine Independence Day, moving it from July 4. The fourth is Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr., 1965 to 1986, the builder and authoritarian. Main achievement. His early years were marked by a massive infrastructure building boom, roads, hospital, and schools. However, his most defining action was declaring martial law in 1972, which centralized power, suppressed political opposition, and led to several human rights abuses. That's all. Thank you.